by Jeannie. The title of my novel is The Courtship of Harry's Wife. Now, my heroine is named Delilah Burns Morgan, but her middle name is Delilah Bell, which was my grandmother's name. And like my grandmother, she was born in Appalachia. So the story takes place in Kentucky. And it's a story of a town. It's a story of the people in the town. And it's a story of her husband's death and Harry, her husband, setting her up to marry his best friend to keep her out of trouble. I think I found Mountain Brook Ink by Grace and my Mirich Smile. I did actually send in this manuscript for review last year, and Mirich's response was, "You must see me." I've kept that response. So we had a conversation, but at that time it was actually at Kriegel, and I was waiting for their response back, and Eva Marie Everson also was interested and ended up editing this novel for me. So she was also interested in the novel, and so Mountain Brook was the third in line of succession, and that's who God directed it to be with, and I am delighted, actually. It's the right mix. It's the right person to work with, and it's just filled with joy. But to have people that are really passionately concerned about your soul in a business agreement or a covenant is pretty amazing.